How to create dual messenger app on your Android. What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can create dual apps on your Android device. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is there might be a inbuilt dual app feature on your phone. So to check that, you go ahead and tap on settings, tap on the search bar and search for dual, and you should see something like dual app or dual messenger depending on the device you're using. So I'm using a Samsung device, so here is a feature called dual messenger. So I'm just going to tap on it, tap on dual messenger, and I can duplicate all of these messaging apps. So as you can see, I've already made dual apps for Messenger and WhatsApp. So if I do it for Facebook, if I tap on it, I can install a dual app for Facebook. So to do that, I just install it and it will be installed on my device like this. So here is a dual app for Facebook, which has this little orange icon at the bottom. So that's how you create dual app on Samsung. You can even use something called parallel space on your device. If you tap on it, you can use multiple apps on parallel space. You can find it on Play Store. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.